Standing plan. Standing plan is a plan which is being carried out regularly and continuously over a particular period of time. So it is being mainly used for making some internal operations in the organization, and this helps to run the organization in a smooth manner. And then and there, when the organization has been established, even a small modification can be made in the standing plan. And this standing plan includes policies, procedures, methods, and rules. So, what do you mean by policies? Policies are the general forms, so that is being specified in the organization, which is to be carried out very strictly. So, for example, if you take the in an educational institution, so the admission policies whichever has been set. So for admitting a child in LKG, so what will be the policy there? The age limit should be 3.5 years or so, and some necessary certificates they are supposed to submit. So that is the policies. Procedures, so these are all the steps that is being followed in the organization. So general procedures can be the procedure whichever is been there for running a particular organization. So timings, we can take as timings: morning shift from 8 to 5, afternoon shift from 1 to 6. So likewise, the general procedures which has been carried out in the organization. Methods, manner in which a task is to be completed. Suppose in a production, some units of quantities are to be produced. In what method it is to be produced? So first thing is inputting the raw materials inside the machineries and running it. Likewise, the different steps in which it is to be completed. Rules, the clear statement that exactly what is to be done in the organization. So in the organization, suppose 8 o'clock the shift starts, means the workers are supposed to be in the organization premises either by 7:50. So this is the rule of the organization which is specifically given to the workers, so that is to be followed by them without any changes. So strategies, so this is a part of a strategic planning. So as wise the planning is done, even the strategic planning also differs. And objectives are those which has been set by the top level management, the aim of the organization. Now under this, objectives comes under both single use plan and standing plan, because objective means aim. So even for a short term task or any program or schedule, aim and objectives will be prepared. So objectives comes under both single use plan and standing plan.